Saturday, January 31st. So, let's see what I got so far. Veggies. Make sure I didn't miss anything on this side of the store. No. Alright. See what I can find over here. Oh, cool. Case. Oh, pretty. So pretty. Food porn. Alright, I need some bread. Hawaiian rolls. I think I want the butter this time. I don't think I'm getting donuts, even though I said I wanted some. Kids, I can recall. Maybe I'll just get them some donut holes. Yeah, I think I'll just do that because I don't think they ate them all. They don't have any chocolate donut holes. I like these myself. Danishes, I'm going to pass up. Pies. Coconut whipped cream pie looks good. But I need to get moving. Let's see, what is this? Brownie bites. Lemon chiffon. Alright guys. Door. Walk you around here. Brownie bites. I just want a complete circle from the door. Actually went backwards, but that's okay. Love the cupcake holder. Cool. Oh my goodness, how much is this? 19? Cupcake carousel. Awesome. Here's my Keurig. Alright, let's get to the meat of it all. Pork, no pork. Chicken wings, no. Chicken nuggets we have. Wings. Leg quarters. Just get the big bag. I think I'm going to do that this time. The big bag. Now I need to rearrange my basket. meat going by my produce, which I do not like. All right, that's better. All right, I think I'm gonna get some chicken breast and keep it moving. I need some drumsticks too. Show you guys too much because then there would be no reason for a haul, but yeah. All right, let's see. I saw something. Normally we don't do cookies, you guys know that, but I'm getting ready to go there. I think we had the red velvet. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna get these anyway, but yeah, they are going to last the whole month. So yeah, all right, let me keep it moving. Get bacon while I'm over here. I think I need chips, peanuts, none of this. I'm saying no, and then two water fries. We don't need something I do want down here. Popcorn, microwave, no microwave. Does not carry, and it just irks me. There's no pirate's booty in this store. None. So gotta get the Nutella. What else? We don't need anything else down here. Bread. All of this stuff. No sweets. Skip ahead. What? Skip ahead. I don't need anything over here. Whole wheat French rolls and baguettes. Good deal. 5 for $5. I think I am getting ready to get anything over here. The white ones. I got it. This stuff is all mixed up. Okay. 1, 2. Let's see. I need some rice. See. Señor, yes. Aquí. All right. So they're trying to help this Hispanic man It's just interesting how people just come up to me and automatically assume I speak Spanish, but yeah. I do, so I am actually glad to help when I can. Let me try this brand of rice. They told him whatever he was looking for was on another aisle and it wasn't. So, yeah. That. Nothing down here. Nothing else down here. Yeah, he was looking for Goya adobo seasoning. So there it is. And I think I have some. So I don't need, but couscous I do need. I'm gonna try this one. Well, I'm saying it like I haven't used it before, but yeah. Get to the store. Gluten-free. Let's see, I don't think I need anything down this aisle either. Seasonings I have stocked up for a while. I don't actually need anything down here. Baking aisle. I know it's something I wanted and I'm leaving it, but that's okay. I'll be upset because I didn't remember to get it. I don't know what you guys are saying, but get the cakes, which I don't need any of. I think I have to get some olive oil, tons of coconut oil. I'm looking at the cakes like I'm getting ready to leave something. I don't see what I'm looking for. Nope, I am not getting ready to get any. Oh, look at the Nemo cereal. But I'm getting ready to pass on that. I know the kids are going to be upset if they see that video, that part of the video. So I don't really need any cereal. Real weird. I don't think I need anything down here. We still have a good stock of oatmeal. I need some grits. We always need grits. You guys have not noticed, the store is humongous. It sells everything from food to TVs, toys, all kinds of stuff. And not just a toy aisle, there's a whole section. I wanted to show you guys during Christmas time, but it was so packed. But Yeah, the toy sign. Alright, make sure I'm not leaving anything. I need some fruit or smoothies. And it's really hot. Alright guys, almost at the end of my shopping trip. A couple more things. I started way over there. So, everybody's looking at me like, what on earth is she doing? So yeah, toys way up there. And all of this was toys. Now they're stuffed animals, but yeah. Alright. Let's get some. What do I want down here? Oh no, I remember that pizza chain. Minions corn dogs. Let's see. Ice cream. I'm looking for a particular kind. Yo, Jasmine. Look what we have. Oh yeah. You guys don't know, that is the business. Bluebell. I don't see, and I'm getting it. I forgot, we haven't gotten all the flavors back yet, but I was getting this Adams up here. You guys don't know, pecan pie, vanilla, cookie dough, pretty good. I am so missing. I don't know what else I want to get. I guess that's it. I'm not going to be greedy. Need some butter, bread, whatever it is. I need some. Already. Grab some milk, some yogurt. Milk, yogurt, some sour cream. Something I forgot. Oh, buttermilk. I always forget. I get so upset because I always forget it. So I'm getting ready to put this camera down so I can remember to get my buttermilk before I end up fussing at you guys. Alright, I am actually done. Thank the Lord. I just need to go check to see if they have something. Toys. Clothes, car seats across there. The store sells everything. So see, that's why I don't need Walmart. That's why I hate Walmart. Walmart never is stocked or this clean. customer service sucks. Let me stop. Yeah. That they don't have. I'm gonna have to run across to Sally's and get what I'm looking for. Yeah, just for me. Goodness. There's some shampoo, but they only have the moisturizer. I can get it all next door. Shea butter is $3.39. And yep, no Ivory Shea. They pulled all of the white because it was not good. So they have hair food. I wonder how good that is. Alright guys, I mean, this is a grocery store. Not bad. Not what I wanted, but for the grocery store they do have a pretty good selection. Oh, liquid soap, Minions, how cute. So, yeah, babies' clothes, ladies' clothes, men's clothes, children's clothes, everything. H-E-B. I know this is a local grocery store to Texas. Fuzzy duck, I'm gonna have to check into that. And I think my phone is ringing. Oh, wait a minute, I see what I'm looking for. Hello? Yeah, I'm getting ready to go to the line right now. Alright, bye. Okay, bye. Yeah. Alright, bye. Alright, this is what I needed, and I never thought. So, this is what I've been looking for, and I am getting ready to get what I needed. How can I read? That's a shampoo. Wait a minute, they don't have what I'm looking for. That's something different. They don't have the conditioner. Great. That means I'm gonna have to go next door and get the conditioner. This does not. Yeah, that's a shampoo. That's a new one. Hair milk. So I need the shampoo and the conditioner, but. I'm getting ready to deal with that because if they don't, oh, here it is. I'm like, I know they have to have a conditioner. There it is. Guys, this is what I was talking about. So, I heard about this pre-wash. I think I'm going to try this pre-wash, see what happens. All right. Check out line. So, there's in front of the store, way in the corner where I